How to use sledgehammer. Subscribe for more videos. Here are some general guidelines for using a sledgehammer safely and effectively. Choose the right size and weight of sledgehammer for the task. A larger, heavier sledgehammer will provide more force but may be more difficult to control, while a smaller, lighter sledgehammer will be easier to handle but may not be as effective for tasks that require a lot of force. Wear protective gear, including eye protection, gloves, and appropriate clothing. Sledgehammers can create flying debris and cause injuries if they are misused or handled improperly. Grip the handle of the sledgehammer firmly, with one hand near the end of the handle and the other hand closer to the head of the hammer. The hand near the head of the hammer should have a firm grip, while the hand near the end of the handle should have a looser grip to allow for more control and flexibility. Position the sledgehammer so that the flat or slightly curved side of the head is facing the object that you are trying to break or pound. This will provide a larger, more stable surface for striking the object. Use the swinging motion to deliver blows with the sledgehammer, using the muscles in your arms, shoulders, and back to generate force. Make sure to keep your body balanced and aligned with the object that you are striking, and avoid swinging the sledgehammer in an arc or from a side angle, as this can reduce the accuracy and effectiveness of the blow. Take breaks as needed to rest and recover your strength. Using a sledgehammer can be physically demanding, and it is important to avoid overexertion or fatigue. Store the sledgehammer in a safe, dry place when it is not in use. Make sure to secure the head of the sledgehammer to the handle with a lanyard or other means to prevent the head from becoming loose or separated from the handle. I hope these guidelines are helpful. Please be sure to follow all safety precautions when using a sledgehammer, as it can be a powerful and potentially dangerous tool. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.